Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I decided to do a little nail art, and this one I really truly enjoyed this particular nail art. I decided to incorporate some polishes from Lacquer as well as LynBDesign. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Also, there's that notification bell down below, and click that so you'll know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this minute as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and smash up those likes. Go ahead and smash up those likes. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to allow that minute to take hold and watch the magic appear.